This 5-minute solution will show you how to find Monopoly Go account user ID. To find your Monopoly Go account user ID, follow these easy steps. Launch the Monopoly Go app, and once you are here, tap on this menu icon, tap on settings, and above this connect account button, here you will get your Monopoly Go user ID. So that's how we can find Monopoly Go user ID. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.